What if I told you that you could be healthier, sharper, and more energetic than a 20-year-old, even in your 50s? Sounds impossible. Not for Dr. David Sinclair, Harvard's leading genetics professor who reversed his biological age and transformed his health. Yung hintis video wilresactstelling diet, exercise, supplements, and what to completely avoid. I feel healthier than a 20-year-old. And much of that is due to the diet and lifestyle changes I've adopted over the years. This isn't just personal opinion, it's backed by science. In 2013, Dr. Sinclair was 44, and now at 54, he looks younger than ever. Through rigorous research and experimentation, he discovered methods to slow aging, maintain vitality, and improve overall health. Today, we'll explore his proven strategies in 5 key areas. Exercise. Eating abi, longevity to avoid. 1. Exercise. The simple rule for longevity. Dr. Sinclair emphasizes that exercise doesn't have to be complicated. His advice is simple. Exercise 3 times a week and push yourself to the point where you lose your breath. This low oxygen, or hypoxic, state triggers positive adaptations, muscles grow stronger. Blood flow improves, and tissues release chemicals that combat aging. Just 10 minutes of intense exercise, 3 times a week, can lead to remarkable health benefits. Studies suggest that this habit can lower the risk of major diseases by up to 30%. Whether it's brisk running, cycling, or high-intensity interval training, the key is to challenge your cardiovascular system enough to make carrying on a conversation difficult. This brief, intense exercise not only strengthens your body, but also activates protective cellular pathways. These pathways help repair tissue, optimize blood sugar, and slow the decline of essential bodily functions associated with aging. 2. Intermittent fasting, eating less often for Dr. Sinclair. Longevity isn't just about what you eat, it's also about when you eat. He practices intermittent fasting, often eating within a 6-hour window each day. Skipping meals or restricting eating times triggers a process called autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged proteins and cells. This cellular recycling is one of the most powerful ways to combat aging and boost overall health. Extended fasting periods also activate sirtuins, a set of genes that protect the body from aging and disease. These genes defend against conditions like type 1 diabetes, multiple sclerosis, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. By fasting, your body gets time to repair itself, optimize metabolism, and maintain youthful function. For those starting intermittent fasting, hydration is key. Coffee, tea, and hot water help reduce hunger, while a small amount of protein or nuts can ease the transition. Typically, Dr. Sinclair goes 16 to 20 hours without significant food intake, allowing his liver to generate glucose at a steady rate, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Over a few weeks, your body adapts and hunger becomes easier to manage. 3. Foods that promote longevity. Dr. Sinclair's diet focuses on stress plants, vegetables grown under slightly challenging conditions, rich in polyphenols. These compounds signal stress in plants and activate protective pathways in humans. They improve lifespan, boost cellular fitness, and activate anti-aging genes. Some key foods include green tea and matcha, packed with EGCG and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and fight cancer. Leafy green, specially loaded with iron, vitamins and phytonutrients for brain and heart health. Olive oil, rich in oleic acid, stimulating longevity genes. Brightly colored vegetables, red, purple, and dark green produce contains high polyphenols to strengthen cellular defenses. The science behind this is called xenohormesis. Plants under stress produce compounds that, when consumed, signal them activate protective and repair pathways. That's why plant-rich diets are associated with longevity and disease resistance. Dr. Sinclair also followed. Mediterranean and Okinawan diets, which combine plant-based foods, healthy fats, and minimal processed carbs. These diets are effective alternatives for those who find fully plant-based eating challenging. 4. Daily supplements for optimal health beyond diet and fasting. Dr. Sinclair uses a few supplements to support longevity. These are based on research, not commercial endorsements. The 3 main supplements are resveratrol, found in red wine and grapes. Resveratrol activates longevity genes and supports cellular defense. Dr. Sinclair takes it daily, often mixed with yogurt. NMN-nicotinamide mononucleotide boosts NAD levels, essential for energy, metabolism, and sirtuin activation. NAD declines with age, but NMN restores youthful cellular function, energy, and heart-brain health. Metformin, primarily a diabetes drug, metformin has shown lifespan-extending benefits, protecting cardiovascular health and lowering the risk of Alzheimer's, even in healthy individuals. Together, these supplements optimize energy production, activate longevity genes, and strengthen the body's natural defenses. 5. Foods to avoid. Dr. Sinclair also emphasizes avoiding foods that adding sugar excess glucose. Particularly, fructose damages the liver, increases diabetes risk, and fuels cancer cells. Stable blood sugar is one of the best predictors of long-term health. Bread and refined carbs cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leading to hunger, fatigue, and brain fog. Meat, excessive meat, especially red, fatty cuts, can suppress longevity genes. Plant proteins are better for activating anti-aging pathways. Fish is fine for omega-3 fatty acids. Dairy, high protein intake from dairy can reduce longevity gene activity. Limiting dairy improves cholesterol, triglycerides, and overall metabolic health. Alcohol, daily drinking accelerates aging. If you enjoy wine, choose stress-sensitive varieties like Pinot Noir, high in resveratrol. Focusing on plant-based foods, limiting sugar and refined carbs, and reducing animal products and alcohol maximizes cellular repair and longevity. Dr. David Sinclair's approach proves that aging doesn't have to mean decline. Exercise intensely but briefly, fast intermittently, eat plant-based stress foods. Supplement wisely and avoid sugar, refined carbs, meat, dairy, and alcohol. These science-backed habits activate your body's natural defenses, boost energy, and slow the aging process. You can transform your health, mental clarity, and vitality, feeling and performing better than ever, even surpassing a 20-year-old's health. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-backed health secrets, and share this video to inspire others to live longer, healthier lives.